So thanks so much for joining tonight. And I'm going to minimize this so that you can see the entire screen. So you'll just hear me talking. So if you have never been part of a hormones class, tonight is the night to start. I want to thank you so much for being here. We're going to be talking about hormones and their effects on our bodies. We're going to cover what supplements Young Living offers to support our endocrine system, which is our hormones, and other complementary oils that also work well with it. As women, we often associate hormones with certain stages in our lives, such as puberty and pregnancy and menopause. And the truth is that our hormones influence the health of our bodies, our minds, and our emotions every single day, regardless of what stage we are in. So I do want to say I'm not here to diagnose, treat, or cure any of your diseases. The content that I will cover is for informational purposes only. I do highly advise that if you are a current patient, that you speak to us before you even start doing these hormone regimens. The oils are good to start with, but the supplements can contradict what we are working on with other supplements. So if you are considering that, please talk to us and have Dr. Roberts, muscle test you to make sure that it is safe for you. All right. So we have to talk about quality. Quality matters, and Young Living monitors the process in their plant-based products from the seed to the seal. The company abides by a very strict guideline, and this fulfills the seed to seal promise to us. This seed to seal promise is very important because it ensures the top-notch quality and effectiveness for each product. This is something that most other companies do not have. And Young Living owning their own farms or requiring their sister or partner farms to abide by these strict guidelines of starting with the best seeds and using no harmful chemicals. They hand weed everything. They harvest at peak times. They're distilling on site, and they test minimally 3 times before sending products off to us. They are giving us products of the highest quality, making them more effective when we use them. It makes all the difference in the world. So throughout this class, I will suggest, have suggestions for oils and products that you can use every day to support your wellness and to get a little self-care. Before we dive into specifics, let's talk about the usage and the safety. For supplements, follow the directions on each individual supplement package for proper safety and usage. And like I said, if you are a current patient of ours, then I highly suggest that you speak with us before you even think about taking the supplements. If you are pregnant or nursing, you have to remember that companies usually err on the side of caution. So it is your responsibility to look up the ingredients and make your own decisions as you feel comfortable using any product based on your health. So safety is first. When using pure essential oils, be sure to dilute with a carrier oil, especially if you're not used to using them. I have used them for so long that I can actually apply them straight to the skin. Do not put them in your eyes or your ears, and follow the directions on the labels. There's 3 ways that you can use essential oils. The solid labels, solid color labels, have aromatic or topical directions. And the labels that are white are from the Vitality line and have a dietary instructions on the labels. But like I said, that is for FDA regulations. And most oils that you get from Young Living can be taken internally. There are a few certain oils that should not be. If you want the list of that, let me know and I'll post it. So topically, you can dilute with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil or grapeseed, and just apply that to your skin, and this is quickly absorbed and effective. Aromatically, you can use a diffuser, inhale some on a diffuser necklace or bracelet, or put it in your hands and just inhale it. Internally, Young Living oils, like I said, have the Vitality line that you know are safe to ingest, so just follow the directions on the package. So what are hormones? In order to understand your body and its needs, it's helpful to understand how your body works. A healthy endocrine system equals healthy moods, skin, bowels, and more. So let's dive in. Your endocrine system is comprised of all of the glands in your body and produce hormones, including your thyroid, pancreas, and for women, ovaries. Hormones are like little chemical messengers in your body that regulate metabolism, growth and development, tissue function, sexual function, reproduction, sleep, and mood, among many other things. These messengers are produced by our glands and secreted directly into the circulatory system to achieve homeostasis, and that means to be balanced. When our hormones are out of balance, it can contribute to migraines, insomnia, bone weakness, weight gain, hot flashes, mood swings, infertility, low libido. That's just to name a few. There's so many things that hormones can actually do to us and for us. Hormonal balance can also affect the way that we handle stress. So if we're not in balance with our hormones and we're stressed, it can definitely play a big role. Over time, these hormone imbalances can lead to a rapid aging and can increase in a risk of disease and even cancer. So your body is constantly working on this difficult task to keep your system balanced. Stress, poor diet and food choices, inadequate sleep, synthetic hormones, even those bioidentical hormones, genetic factors, and less active lifestyle can all throw hormones out of whack and create health problems. But there is good news. Young Living has some essential oils and other products to support our body in this very delicate balancing act. So we'll talk about some of these things. So Thyromin, this helps to maximize nutritional support for a healthy thyroid function. The thyroid gland regulates body metabolism, energy, and body temperature. It controls calorie burning and even your heart rate. What if one little pill can support your body so that you feel energized, balanced, or maintain a healthy weight that you have worked so hard for? You can be proactive in supporting your thyroid. This supplement contains iodine, porcine, glandular extracts, and some other things which your thyroid really needs to create the hormones. By consuming the supplement and having a healthy lifestyle, you can support both your metabolism and your thyroid. It also contains 4 essential oils to help increase the body's ability to absorb the nutrients. So the essential oils that are included in this are spearmint, which provides a digestive support and your respiratory support. Peppermint provides digestive support by supporting a healthy intestinal function and the gastrointestinal comfort. It also supports the nervous and the respiratory system, as well as for healthy muscles, bones, and skin. And it contains myrtle, which supports the respiratory system, promotes healthy skin and hair. It has been researched for its effects on supporting glandular balance. It also contains myrrh, which is a very powerful antioxidant and may support healthy skin. You know I love my myrrh. Cortisol is another thing that really, the name says it all. Cortisol is a hormone produced cortisol is the hormone produced in the adrenal gland in response to stress and low blood sugar. When you want to support a healthy amount of cortisol in your body, you can reach for the cortisol. You remember the fight or flight survival response? This hormone is there to help you survive, and it is important. Nevertheless, if it is produced and released too often, it can be harmful for your body. You can experience feelings of fatigue, difficulty maintaining a healthy weight, and a difficulty maintaining optimal health of a cardiovascular system. This supplement, hi Christy, this supplement is going to support your body in maintaining a natural balance and harmony. It also designed to aid the female glandular system. So wake up feeling more rested and less on edge, maintain your desired weight, feel more emotionally balanced and able to take on whatever life may throw your way next. So here are the essential oils that are included in this supplement. Fennel, which again supports the cardiovascular system, the glandular system, the respiratory system, the digestive system. It also may support feelings of well-being during your menstrual cycle. We've talked about that before. Peppermint supports digestion by promoting healthy intestinal function and gastrointestinal comfort, and it's soothing. It supports the nervous system and respiratory system and encourages healthy muscles, bones, and skin. It also has clary sage, which is a good hormonal support, especially for women. It has Canadian fleabane, which you cannot get individually as an essential oil, but it offers cardiovascular and hormonal system support. It also contains frankincense. This is another one that I love, frankincense. It encourages emotional balance and healthy skin and provides immune and nervous system support. So just take the directions on the bottle, but like I said, if you are a patient, current patient of our clinic, always check with us to make sure that this product is good for you. So EndoFlex, this was created especially for women and supports your entire endocrine system. This supplement also contains DHEA. So this is the most common hormone in the body. Your body produces its own DHEA, but after the age of 20, production starts to decline. So that means that this supplement can be very helpful for aging women. You need this hormone because it is needed to produce over 50 other hormones, including estrogen. Think of all the things older women commonly experience, or maybe you're experiencing them yourself. So get this supplement right away so that you can maintain your youthful health. But don't confuse the word common with normal, okay? Just because something says that it's common does not mean that it is normal. This supplement is going to support a healthy endocrine system so that you don't have to be one of those women with a common and not normal side effect of the imbalanced hormones. It is especially supportive for the adrenal glands. And right now, every single person has their adrenal glands on fire because we're so caffeinated out. The adrenal glands are located on top of each kidney. The hormones that they help to produce help to regulate your blood sugar and your blood pressure. They help your body burn fat and use protein. They also release cortisol, your stress hormone. So by supporting these glands, you're supporting your overall cardiovascular health, your metabolism, your weight management, and your body's ability to maintain and manage stress and maintain energy. EndoFlex is also infused with essential oils to help increase bioavailability by 80%. This is your body's ability to absorb and actually utilize everything that you ingest. So those essential oils are clary sage, and this has been used for centuries to help support the female body, particularly hormone support and reproductive function. Ginger is supportive of the digestive system, is commonly used to soothe and comfort and balance the digestive discomfort. Again, this one has myrrh and is a very powerful antioxidant and stimulates the immune system. And it has cassia. It smells and tastes like cinnamon and supports a healthy blood sugar levels. Again, just use what the recommendation on the bottle says. I do want to give you an air of caution that if you are pregnant or lactating, intended for adult use, keep out of the reach of children. And if you're taking other medications or have a medical condition, consult your healthcare practitioner prior to using this. Imogen. Imogen capsules are those for those ladies that are in the childbearing age and want to give a little extra support to their lady parts. It is formulated with herbs and amino acids that may support female health. It contains the following herbs: has wild yam, dong quai, I love dong quai, black cohosh, daminia, and epimedia. Oops, sorry guys. It has black and blue cohosh. All of these herbs contain phytoestrogens. Let me get back on here. I had a phone call real fast. Okay, there we are. So it also keeps your cholesterol under control and protects bone health for both men and women. It also affects your brain, your mood, your bones, heart, skin, and other tissues. This supplement contains 4 essential oils to help support the female reproductive system. It has fennel, clary sage, and ylang ylang. And the oils also help to make this supplement function better due to more bioavailability. So in the supplement, the clary sage has been used for centuries, again, to help support the female body, again, particularly for those hormones and the reproductive function. Sage helps maintain balance between estrogen and the proestrogen testosterone balance. It supports the nervous system and the adrenal complex. Ylang ylang supports the adrenal glands. And fennel, again, supports the circulatory, the glandular, respiratory, and the digestive system. And just take the what it says on the bottle. You want to keep this one in a cool, dry place. Do not expose to excessive heat. Keep out of reach of children. And again, if you are pregnant or under a doctor's care, consult your physician. There is a pro tip for this. Sclerescence Vitality is a perfect complement to this supplement, and we'll talk about that in a little bit later. This one actually is one of my favorite things to use, and I just started using this a couple months ago, and it has helped tremendously. It is a wonderful essential oil or serum. Progestins Plus Serum, also referred to as PP or P+, contains USP grade progesterone from wild yam extract. Progesterone is a hormone that is produced in the body, and it regulates the menstrual cycle and is crucial for pregnancy. You also need progesterone to help with a healthy libido. As you age, you have a natural decrease in progesterone production, so that product can be very beneficial when you are starting a family or after 30 years of age. I do want to note that the USP grade progesterone is not the same as Progestins, which is a synthetic version of progesterone sold by pharmaceutical companies. Taking synthetic hormones is really bad for you. I cannot stress that enough, and can lead you to life-threatening side effects. If you would like to do a little research on this topic is very much worth researching. The USP grade progesterone in Progestins Plus Serum is a natural form from wild yam extract. And I highly encourage you to start reading the book called The Pill. And I can post that in the group tomorrow for you. But that is where I started about 14 years ago. This book changed my life, okay? And actually, the medical doctor that produced this serum for Young Living was Dr. Purser. And you can look back on our Back to Nature page and see that we did interview Dr. Purser himself. Progestins Plus is formulated specifically for women. It contains copaiba, sacred frankincense, cedarwood, bergamot, peppermint, and clove essential oils, all of which are calming and grounding and ideal for women who want to feel more relaxed and balanced. It definitely works. Some people actually use it as a perfume. I like to use it just personally, a couple times a day on my abdomen, about 4 days before my period. And it definitely helps with the intensity, reducing the intensity of the side effects of hormones and the cramping as well. So again, if you want some help on that, let me know. So here are 3 other oils that I absolutely love and use. These are great complements to the supplements that support your endocrine system for happy hormones. So are you looking for oils to support you during the time of month, postpartum, or is it something to enhance your mood or to get you in the mood? Here's some oils for your options. Dragon Thyme is perfect for that time of month, and it really does work. It's amazing, and it's only available through Young Living. So do you have occasional moodiness during the cycle? Your partner, friends, and coworkers, and everyone else that crossed your path will thank you for using the Dragon Thyme. No more Dragon Lady nicknames every month when you use Dragon Thyme. This blend contains fennel, clary sage, marjoram, lavender, blue yarrow, and jasmine essential oils. Its aroma is very sweet and herbaceous. Its balancing properties make it the perfect choice for supporting normal, healthy moods during the female monthly cycle. Dragon Thyme is recommended for both young and mature women and can be applied to your abdomen, lower back, or other areas to help soothing effect during that time of your menstrual cycle. And it truly works. It's also great to diffuse if you get in the mood during time being intimate. So clary sage has been used for women for centuries. In the past 10 years, there have been many scientific studies confirming its amazing qualities. And you can look it up on PubMed. I highly encourage you to do so. It has an earthy and herbaceous smell with a floral and slightly fruity undertones. Aromatically, it's very uplifting and balancing to your mood and your emotions. It may help alleviate occasional anxiety. Its uplifting fragrance may also improve cognitive function. Topically, it is incredible for the skin. Sore muscles or monthly aches, this can definitely help with that. Put that in a relaxing Epsom salt bath and you'll just melt away. Lastly, have you been struggling to get in the mood for intimacy? So try diffusing this while you're getting ready for bed with your significant other. It may work wonders for both of you. Lady Sclerol, also only available for Young Living. It was created specifically for women and contains jasmine, bergamot, geranium, orange, and many more oils. This can also be used to enhance the feminine nature. It can be alluring and seductive as a perfume, just like clary sage. It can also help with your mood. So when you diffuse it, it can be relaxing experience by calming and balancing your heart and your mind. So these are definitely a must put on your essential oils, your essential rewards. So EndoFlex, I've used this one as well. It is a proprietary oil. meaning only Young Living has it. It contains a base of sesame seed oil and is infused with spearmint, essential oil, sage, geranium, myrtle, nutmeg, and German chamomile. This blend supports your endocrine system, which means healthy, happy hormones. You can just put it right over your thyroid. It definitely works very well. So you can also get the EndoFlex Vitality and take them in veggie caps every day to help with your energy and your hormone balancing as well. Let's see what else. Scleressence. Scleressence supports overall wellness for women. It also contains clary sage, peppermint, Spanish sage, and fennel to support the digestion and reduce occasional bloating that can be common feeling during that time of month. It's also beneficial for balancing your hormones. So again, you can also take this one internally or topically to help either way. So for those of you that don't have an account, there are a couple ways that you can order the products. One option is to order retail, but if you can save a little money, why not? I don't like spending a lot of money for retail. I always try to save money where we can. So getting a Young Living account is highly important so that you can get 24% off of all the products available. And if you are not part of our team, I do suggest that you go back to the person that invited you to this webinar and ask them how to sign up for your discount. If you don't have anyone, I would be more than happy to help you. So essential rewards. This one is something that I wish more people would jump on because I wish I would have known about it a long time ago. This actually saves you money. It gives you points back. It gives you free items, and it gives you cash to buy other items. And I use my essential rewards to buy all my cleaning supplies. So anything that I use for cleaning, I never have to pay for. All of our cleaning is paid for because of our essential rewards. And if you would like more information on that, please let me know. And also be on the lookout this coming week because I have a special book for you guys that will explain maybe possible essential reward orders for you if you have some trouble creating what you want monthly. There are some shipping options. Of course, I have the YL Go Plus because it gets me 24 free shipments a year. So it covers all of my monthly orders for a year. Plus I can make another order in the quick order and it's the shipping is paid for as well. Hi, Sue. You can, Gabe has the YL Go because he doesn't order as much as I do, but he does order every month and his monthly shipments are paid for because of this great subscription. It's kind of like Amazon Prime, but only better. So thank you so much for coming out tonight and learning about supporting your health. So let me know if you have questions and want to talk more about what you would like for supplementation or essential oils. And hopefully I will see you next week for our class. And I will post the information for the class on Monday. Thanks, guys.